Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Power the TV and the input you'll use. Once done, press Menu or Home on the remote and go straight to Picture or Display settings. Make sure to disable auto brightness, eco, or ambient light sensors so manual changes stick. You're doing this because automatic modes override your adjustments. Turning them off lets you control brightness, backlight, and contrast directly. Keep the remote handy and note the current picture mode, standard, movie, or vivid, so you can revert if needed. Now you'll make the detailed changes. First, raise or lower backlight to set overall screen luminance. Use 10% increments until the room feels correct. Then adjust brightness, black level, so dark scenes keep shadow detail without looking gray. Use a dark test image or movie scene. Once those are close, refine contrast, gamma, and color to balance highlights and midtones. If your TV has presets, try movie or calibrated and then tweak. This saves time because presets start from sensible defaults. Finish by saving your changes into a custom or expert profile so adjustments persist. Then sample several types of content, dark movies, bright sports, HDR clips, to confirm brightness works across scenes. If highlights clip or blacks crush, reduce contrast or tweak gamma slightly. Make sure to power cycle the TV after saving because some models apply changes on restart. If adjustments won't take, disable energy-saving modes again or perform a picture reset. This often fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.